going on, guys? We are in the truck. It's about that time of night where we're going to be finding some snakes on the road. And so, you know, last time we got the smooth air snake and the dead king. Hopefully we'll get a live king this time.
Live king would be incredible.
That would be amazing. So, of course, you know, road cruising 101. What do we got to do first?
Put our seatbelts on.
No,
I'm just kidding. We gotta go get energy drinks.
We do. All right, so we're good to go. Let's get it. Stop.
Pull up out of the...
Connor, back up. Stop. Take the flashlight. Back up. All right, so what we have here, finally, Copperhead. Whew, hang on, let me catch my breath for a second. This is a venomous species, of course, and love these guys. Now everybody says, and I've been guilty of it before too, that these guys are not venomous enough, their venom is not toxic enough to kill you, and that is correct, but you could be allergic to it and not even know it. So that's why I'm treating this thing with a lot of caution. That and copperheads tend to, there you go. Wow. I mean, wow. No. Don't do it. Come on. Whew. This guy. I see you. And it's a, looks to be a female. I can just tell the edge of the cloaca is right here. The tip of the tail's real short. First copperhead. I get it, you're mad. First copperhead of the year alive. Oh, you notice how they strike like that. It's, oh my goodness. This one's a lot slower than most that I've encountered. Oh my goodness. I know. Don't go that way. I get it. You're pissed. As long as you're focused on the stick and not me, then we're okay. You know, I back up a little. Wow. You see they calm down. If you notice, like everybody's saying, oh, these snakes are out to get you, they're gonna chase you, everything. No, the whole entire time, even right now, he is just wanting to get away. And the only reason he's striking out is just out of defense, because he feels threatened. I'm not gonna hurt you. I'm not gonna harass you too much longer. But wow. Absolutely. It's mind-blowing how many hours we have put in on this channel so far this year of road cruising, of flipping, of just hiking, all the miles we put in to finally get one of these, which is so common. What are you doing? They are adorable snakes. There's nothing to fear about these snakes. Now with me, I'm a little hesitant because, you know, it is a venomous snake and I'm putting myself in a dangerous kind of situation just to show them to you guys. But you guys see these out in the wild and you just leave them alone. There is absolutely nothing to fear. All he wants to do is just go about his way. That's it. Let's see. You are adorable. Now don't get me wrong, if this thing were to get a hold of me, it would do some damage, but it wouldn't kill me. It'd make me feel like I wanted to die, but all right. Wow, copperhead. Finally. Finally. You can get a little closer, Connor, if you want to. Get some good close-ups of him. Are you getting some good footage of him? Sweet. Heck yeah. I don't know when a car is going to come, so we're going to go ahead and let this little girl go. Absolutely gorgeous. Thank you for being so cooperative and showing everybody how awesome you are. I know. You're so pretty. What are you doing? What are you doing? Okay. This is not okay. This is not okay. I see you. You're just making it a little bit difficult, aren't you? Okay. Alright, we're gonna get some photos of this girl and then we're gonna let her go. Wow.
Bring the light a little bit closer over here.
I know. You're gorgeous. Are you gonna do that? Huh? You gonna play this game again? Okay.
That's awesome.
There you go, girl. There you go. What's going on, guys?
Hey!
What's going on, guys? So
This is stupid. What the
did I jump the gun?